Once again, and hope you are all doing well. And today I'll start again with another topic, which is if expression. Actually, if expression is the most used expression, logical expression, I should say, in Kotlin. So let's read what this is, if expression is about. I mean, like, let's get some little ideas. So if expression is usually, it's a logical expression that is usually used in programming language for making choice. Okay, either if this or that, right? So if something, this value is true, then do this thing that is printing, that is true. Otherwise, you do other thing. Like if is this one, the condition is true, then this block of code is executed, right? So that's the concept, guys. So it's usually, the basic understanding is, it's usually it helps us to make choices. Like either you have a choice which is a true or is a false, like, right? And yeah, if you want to know more about details, you can go through this, you can read this blog, right? And without wasting any time, let's go through the examples. And the first example is like this one. If this condition, that is 1 is greater than 0, obviously it's true. This expression returns true, so you print that is true. Otherwise, if this expression, this condition, as you can see here, if you condition is always true, right? So it's gonna print this these two like expressions, right? So it's gonna print 10 is less than 1, and 10 is also 10 is less than 11, sorry. So this will be the output, guys. So let's take the second example. Inside the main function, we have a boolean, which is like this condition: 1 is greater than or equals to 1. That's true, so it's gonna print the true. So if this condition, that is this one, it's always is true, then it's gonna print that it's true. And yeah, so it's, as I told you before, that if is usually used to make choices, right? So yeah, we make a choice by passing the condition, right? And yeah, if the condition pass, then this block of code is executed. Whereas if the condition, this condition doesn't pass, then this block of code is being executed, right? So n is minus 11 is greater than 0, no. So this block of code is executed, so the output will be it's negative or 0. So similarly, guys, we have also other examples, like if n is greater than 0, if n is equals to 0, okay, and else it's negative. So this is also another block of code, guys. And yeah, if y is, I mean, like, if not y, so this not false, that is true, obviously. So output will be y, not y is true. And yeah, so if this condition, that is number is actually 10, 10 is greater than 11, sorry, 100, no, is always false. So actually this will be executed, the output will be 42. And true or false condition, if expression, that is, this is the expression. So what is this condition? Let's see, is always true. So b is less than 3, b is actually 1 is less than 3, that's true. As you can see here, is always true, so this will be executed. Whereas in this case, b is greater than 3, greater than or equals to 3, that's false. So actually it will return false. So one or the other, that means, let's say x equals to 1, x is actually 1, this is true, so this will be executed. As you can see here, the output will be true first and then the false, because x is equals to 2, that's false, so this false will be executed. So it's pretty much if and else are usually uh, used to make choices, right, based on the condition that is provided here. And so let's, without wasting any time, let's please go and try to solve some exercise. So what it says, the first exercise about the if expression says this: create a function check sign that checks whether an integer number is positive, negative, or zero, and returns a string positive, negative, or zero as a result. So pretty much what we can do, so if number is greater is less than 0, sorry, then you can print you can return positive. We can also uh, uh, yeah, else if number equals to 0, return 0, else return negative, right? So as you can see, there are three different conditions here, as you can see here. So either you can do number is less than 0, number is 0, then negative. So let's check if this code is working, if this is the correct answer. Expected positive, sorry, it's negative. Sorry guys, still okay, actually yeah, that's true. If number is less than 0, then obviously it's negative. So yeah, now it's making sense, because we are passing a negative number here. Okay guys, so let's go to the second exercise. What it says is like check a function absolute that returns the absolute value of the parameter. For example, absolute of 3 is 3 and absolute of minus 5 is 5. So we have to return absolute value, or you can say also the modulus of whatever value you provide. So how do you write a function that returns absolute value? So if the number is less than, sorry, 0, then you have to pretty much multiply the number by a negative number. Otherwise that else if it is a positive number, then just return the positive number, right? So if it is a negative number, just multiply by the -1, so it will return the positive number. And if it is a positive number, if it is the number is greater than 0, then that is positive number, so return the positive number, right? So let's check it if this is working. Yeah, it's a correct answer guys. So that's how we solve this problem. So now this is the third exercise, when it says create a function find max that finds the maximum value when given two integer numbers. So how to find the maximum number? If same, we make the choice with the condition. So if the first is greater than second, then the maximum is first, else is the maximum is second, right? So it's pretty simple, I think. Let's check it if it's really the answer. Yeah, it's a correct answer guys. And yeah, it's pretty much logical, right? So we are making choices pretty much, as you can see, providing the condition. So if the first number that you provide is greater than the second, then obviously this is the maximum number. Else the another one is the maximum number, that is the second number. Okay, so this is the final task. And what it says that the task says that mastering the IDE, navigating to the function. To navigate to a function definition, put a caret on the caret on the uses and press it's a command and B. So command B in the uses. So let's put here. Okay, first I go here and I press command. As you can see, it's giving me that the uses, and if you press it, you see this is the only uses here, and if I press it here, you see that it is the only uses there in the project file. Okay, so actually it's pretty much this command press the put the caret in the function definition, and press the control B oh sorry, command B in the Mac, then you will just find the uses of that function, right? So this is tip about mastering the IDE, and that's it, guys. So I think we are pretty much fine with the if expression, and I hope you like it. And if you really like it, please subscribe it, and I will be coming up with more tutorials, and please follow and just press the bell icon, and yeah, I will be coming with other tutorials, as you can see here, strings and many more. So yeah, I think at the end of this course you will be really a master in Kotlin programming language. Thank you.